Hi everyone, today I want to introduce a stylish and durable accessory, the Weayege men's quartz wrist watch. Let's start watch the Corp feature. Japanese quartz movement this watch runs and a Japanese original quartz movement and battery, giving you accurate time and reliable long-term performance, perfect for daily wear. The materials used are impressive. This tarp is made from stainless steel, making it comfortable, breathable and soft on your skin. The watch face is perfect by mineral glass, which is resistant to scratches and wear. The 316L stainless steel polished case adds a nice texture and shine, making it suitable for variety of accessories. This watch is also 380 and waterproof, meaning it can handle splash and brief impression in weather, like rain or hand washing, but it's not designed for swimming, diving, or showering. It's a versatile gift idea for any occasion, birthday, holidays, gatherings, or just a thoughtful present for friends, partners, or family members. Whether you're designed up or going casual, this watch fits the style. Plus, there's a 20 months warranty and 30 days money back guarantee. If you have any issues, the support team is ready to help. But so if you're looking for a sleek, reliable watch that works for everyday life, the Weayege men's quartz wear watch is definitely worth considering.